Hi, I'm Amy with WTI, and if you need a chocolate fix and you can't do the gluten or the dairy, or you have food allergens and you haven't tried these yet, you've got to try these. The Enjoy Life dark chocolate morsels. So I like to eat these seriously like straight out of the bag at times, just like a little handful, just to kind of satisfy that dark chocolate craving I have. I also use these consistently in pancakes. The kids really love them as well. It's just a burst of chocolate in your mouth. I use these in pancakes today, so I'll show you those. It turns regular pancakes into dessert. I like them a little on the dark side. That wasn't an accident. Okay. I don't think you're gonna be disappointed trying these. They will probably become a staple in your home just like they are here, but that's my point of view.